Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So when is Samsung launching the Galaxy A55 mobile phone? We round up the release date, price and specification rumors. Samsung Galaxy A50 lineup has been one of the most popular smartphones at its price point for a while now. While 2022 Galaxy A53 was a rare misstep, the Galaxy A54 made these things right and is still one of the best phones under $500. So there is no surprise that its successor, surely the Galaxy A55, is eagerly anticipated. Here's everything we know at this stage. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. When will the Samsung Galaxy A55 will be released? Galaxy A series phones are usually launched early in the year, around the end of the first quarter. That's March, to be specific. Samsung has been very constant in recent years, and we have no reason to suspect any difference in 2024. Here is when it launched the last three models. The Galaxy A54 was launched on 15 March 2023. The Galaxy A53 was launched on 17 March 2022. And Galaxy A52 was launched on 17 March 2021. So if goes without saying, then we expect the Galaxy A55 to launch in March 2024. How much will the Samsung Galaxy A55 cost? There is no concrete information regarding the pricing at this stage, but the cost of the previous generations give you a good idea of what to expect. Galaxy A54 was priced $1,449. Galaxy A53 was priced $1,449. And Galaxy A52 was priced $499. As you can see, the price has fluctuated a bit. So, even if there is a price rise on the Galaxy A55, it will still probably be under the $500 mark. Samsung Galaxy A55. What will the specs and features? Resource Android Headlines has shared exclusive renders of the phone in 3 colors. As you can see in the video, the renders show the Galaxy A55 in awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy colors. The Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone has model number SMA556C. It will feature a 6.5 inches OLED display with FHD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The device will have the proprietary Exynos 1480 chipset with a graphics accelerator from AMD, and the power source will be a 5000 mAh battery with a 25-watt fast battery charging speed. The Samsung Galaxy A55 cameras will offer a 50-megapixel main camera sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. At the front, there will be a 32-megapixel front selfie camera. It is also known that the smartphone will support wireless connections via Bluetooth 5.4. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned.